Hi family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we are doing a spend a day with me, and I'll be running errands, cooking the best pancakes ever, and I'm going to be taking you guys along. So let's get into it. These crepes are so easy to prepare, to make, so fun, and they taste super delicious. You can enjoy them with a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, a glass of warm milk, and they hit differently. I'm going to be linking up the details of the recipe in the description bar below if you'd love to follow the same recipe to have the similar crepes that taste super delicious. This is always the fun process when it comes to making these crepes, and you can see they are cooking so easily. You will just turn on your heat on medium high so that they can cook easily. They brown nicely, and then you turn them until they are browned to perfection or to your liking. And now the true taste is going to be coming along. As you can see, I am making good progress with mine, and soon we're gonna be tasting them. taking you guys along with me. So yeah, let's go to town and run some errands together. First, a meeting is done and we ended up coming to Kilimanjaro to enjoy this delicious platter, and of course later we had to do our usual sport, which is Java coffee with some cookies, and it never disappoints. Today is self-care day as well. I'm having a pedicure and I'm almost done, so I decided to just insert these clips on this vlog. So yeah, I will do that, and then I have one more meeting with my friend at Art Cafe, and then I'll go shopping and head home, and I will do a simple grocery shopping haul to see everything that I'm able to get today. So let's do that. I went a little bit shopping for these gorgeous tops. I think they are so fancy for office wear, and I'd love to get myself a few pieces just to spice up my office wear. And later I'm going to do grocery shopping, which I'm going to show you when I'm back home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun spending the day with me, and please remember to subscribe. Yes, pause right now and check if you have subscribed, and subscribe and like the video so that you can continue supporting me and we can grow and be strong together. Until next time, take care of yourselves and have a wonderful time. Bye bye.